Daughter. Simple and unending, I think. You're not filming, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Because I can't
read.
Unending. The love for a granddaughter. There are no words to tell you how much you're loved. No matter how often it's said, it's always deeply meant. Happy birthday. Love you, Nana and Grandma. Let's see what you got. You know how to do this.
You gotta rip it open.
Come on. Come on. You know how to rip it. Oh!
Cool. Whoa. So we're gonna be a pro at this. Pretty socks.
And a onesie. And some leggings.
Cute.
Look at those pants.
Yeah.
Cutest of the bunch. No lies. No lies. You want to rip some paper?
Say thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.